Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the chat and target language in mind. Now act. Open Google Translate and set source and target. Copy the segment of chat you want translated, then paste into Translate so you can see an instant result. Once done, review the translation for tone and key terms before sending back. Make sure your chat input is focused so you can paste or retype the translated text quickly. This reduces errors and keeps the conversation flowing smoothly. Now refine how you translate. Feed Google Translate short, coherent chunks rather than huge paragraphs so meaning stays intact. Use detect language when the source is uncertain. This prevents wrong language assumptions. Once you have a clean translation, copy it back to the chat, then paste and read aloud silently to confirm tone and formality. If you need consistent phrasing, keep a small glossary of repeated terms. This preserves clarity and saves. To finish, paste the translation into chat and send, then watch for any confusion so you can adjust quickly. If the output seems off, rephrase the original sentence to be simpler. Shorter sentences yield better machine translations. Make sure to keep idioms minimal. When things go wrong, translate a single sentence back to the original language to check fidelity, then correct and resend. One key tip: if translation quality drops, clear the browser cache or try incognito to rule out extension interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.